Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. They have also raised the question of justification or otherwise of conducting a single object joint computer proficiency test. Full stop. Notice dated 8/2/2002, Annexure P6, has also been challenged in the set repetitions. Full stop. In this factual matrix, all the repetitions were taken up together for hearing with the consent of all learned counsel for the parties. Full stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioners vehemently argued that the action of respondent number 2 in firstly holding a joint computer proficiency test and then the joint English shorthand test is completely unjustified and illegal. Full stop. It is submitted that once there are two separate advertisements which have been issued for the subordinate courts in two different states, admittedly having distinct and separate applicable rules, there was no justification whatsoever for holding a joint test. Full stop. It is submitted that apart from minimizing the chances of the petitioners, petitioners have been made to compete with unequals. Full stop. Mr. Arora, learned counsel for the petitioners in CWP number 25535 of 2001, submits that the minimum prescribed age in the state of Haryana is 17 and maximum 42 years for general category, while in the state of Punjab, minimum age is 18 years and maximum 37 years. Full stop. Rules governing reservation, it is contended are also disparate with the qualifications being slightly different in both the states as well. Full stop. Therefore, it is apparent for the candidates have been made to compete with unequals. Full stop. It is further submitted that there is no reason whatsoever for conducting a joint test. Full stop. It is urged that it was incumbent upon the respondents to have conducted the test for both the states separately in order to ensure proper selection in a fair and transparent manner while maintaining purity of the selection. Full stop. It is thus prayed that these repetitions be allowed and notice dated 26/11/2001 and 8/2/2002 be set aside and the computer proficiency test as well as the English shorthand test be held separately for subordinate courts of both the states. Full stop. Para. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent number 2, while refuting the arguments raised on behalf of the petitioners, submits that in view of the large number of applications received for the said posts, it was decided to first hold each a single joint computer proficiency test, which is admittedly a qualifying test. Full stop. In order to invite meritorious candidates, it was decided to prescribe that only those candidates, who secure 6 or more than 6 marks, would be considered eligible for appearing in the shorthand typing test, and the decision for fixing the criteria of securing minimum 60% marks for the computer proficiency test was duly taken by the Central Recruitment Committee of the High Court in its meeting held on 24/11/2001. Full stop. Decision to hold the joint computer proficiency test and the English shorthand test, it is submitted was duly taken by the Central Recruitment Committee of this court, whose decision in all matters relating to the made criteria for selection etc., is final and binding. Full stop. Reference is made to class 6 of the advertisements full stop. It is argued that the rules regarding age, fee and reservation do not in any manner affect the following of a single joint computer proficiency test or the English shorthand test full stop over.